I'm sorry about how I acted in it. Just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive
You're
branch?
serious? Just like that?
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendra's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
Well, all right.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Well, enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kinda guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a kung fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far.
I can give you a ride.
I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way, or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
What? Can I help you? Here you go.
So what brings you to Hong Kong? You thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college and I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front.
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home, I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh, yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street. Always buckle your seatbelt, and only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Well, not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist.
Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
Nhất. Yi. Sam. Say. Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some kung fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwa. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu. in America has rusted your skills. All men must rule sometimes, but not to American tourists.
你打得贏我仲 shame glorious to behold. 你同我企喺度。
Your incompetence towers above your classmates. I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Song Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Oh, Jade Rat. Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12. One for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen by a former student, corrupted by the Triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
你留得位未啊？實死硬啊！你一定會後悔。我話你知啊，你實死硬啊！你一定會後悔。嚟啦，牙尖嘴！
你知咩叫眼前一黑啊？瞄準啊！我保證你即刻冇命。
Oh, Rat, you keep winning, I keep paying.
屎忽鬼
Oh, Rat, you keep winning, I keep paying.
你套入去好玩啊！有做嘢啦！單手搞掂你啦！
Oh, Rat, you keep winning, I keep paying.
依然留到位未啊？加油！
good loser. 揾你老婆幫你收夠衝啦！你啊走先啦！靚仔，你話打㗎咋？好俾佢佢！All right, you keep winning, I keep paying. 真係有咩特別啊？等我話你知咩叫眼前開啊 ！All right, you keep winning, I keep paying. 知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？知唔踢屎忽鬼㗎！實死硬啊！我喐佢，一定會後悔。將佢斬成兩咯。All right, you keep winning, I keep paying。點啊？我拖呢日好耐㗎啦。打齊佢！All right, you keep winning, I keep paying. 埋佢啦！睇下邊個點睇你？你未夠班同我打啊！知唔知個死字點寫啊？我咁我哋搞錯咗啊！我點解你今日冇運行啊 ？All right, you keep winning, I keep paying. loser.
Get over here now.
What's going on, Winston?
It's Benny, manager of Club Bam Bam, old friend of mine. Now he's working for Dog Eyes. That Ham Garton is getting back at us for taking his minibus route.
Look, I'll go talk to Benny, make him see reason.
Yeah, wait, you go do that.
Would you like some ice cream? It's delicious.
You gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing?
I got a message from Dog Eyes. You wanna tell him you sent me away?
Dog Eyes? Oh, sorry, of course. Come on in, sir. Hey, buddy, VIPs only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Whoa, damn. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah.
Well, Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time. Come on. Sing me a song.
I could do pottery. Everybody uses pot for something. That's important, right?
Yeah, nice.
Hey, I'll talk to you later.
I'm glad my friend isn't involved.
actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I'd talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
Wait.
Everybody I know has a place in Central these days. All people care about are nice cars.
My way.
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should leave.
He wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know, and I'll take care of it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Benny, get the fuck out of here! Benny, I know you're in there!
When police roll up in a them with some big long gun and terrorize
Yeah.
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.
You're late.
Conroy's still watching me. He's got a real hard on.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? Fuck, Raymond, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my fucking reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wei. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
Fuck you. I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wei, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're fucking concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wei, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Yeah, we're done.
Nobody calls my daughter a whore. I'll see to him.
Hey, what can I do for you? Here.
Finally. see the stuff?
Of course I got that stuff. Think I come from stuff. My shit is the best. Check it out.
Bunny's on the phone. You won't follow me, peekaboo?
Nah, just fucking yell.
Fucking bitch. Sure. I can't do that. Can't do that to me.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing down here?
I live here. I gotta sleep. Get to bar. Drunk.
Get up!
Oh. Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta.
Oh, God! That's disgusting! Oh, shit!
Bullshit. 10 feet is 25.
You're cheap. My stuff is worth twice. He's an old friend Tyson.
I'm not your old friend. 35.
You bring me all the way out here to waste my time. Try some type of street vendor. What the fuck? No. Hey, these are just good damn What? Fuck you. 48 I sell it all at 8.
Did you get Popstar Supplier?
I got it. And so did Popstar. 2 shots in the chest.
Damn.
Shuts down the drug pipeline, at least. And I'm giving you Popstar on a platter. I got the deal and the double cross on camera.
Good work, Wei. Thanks. With Popstar gone, Sun On Yi is down to only one supplier. The bottleneck will create a lot of tension inside the triad. Watch your back, Wei.
Really? Cops? Great.
We've charged Popstar and his top lieutenants. Conspiracy, trafficking, possession, and murder. He'll get life. And we've seized what looks like an entire month's supply. Thanks, Wei. You've done more to stop drugs coming into Hong Kong than half the narcotics squad combined.
Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat. He's a fucking rat.
你個冇狗用嘅垃圾 ！You're still working for that bastard, aren't you, 係咪啊？
Wait, listen, I swear.
You're always a dirty fucker,
我
man.
發誓唔係我，唔係我。
Rat. Clean that up. Loyalty's important, Wayne. Never forget that.